Looking for a new home? This might be it. AAG recommends this 3 bedrooms condo. Cozy dining area. Spacious living area. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Enjoy your me moment at this balcony. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Generous sized lap pool for your full enjoyment. Excellent amenities within walking distance. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.